And welcome in. Thinking about a few things here today. I'm going to fire Twinkles for sure. And I need these on today because it's early. It's very early and it's too early. And plus, I got up late. Yes, this is late for me, and I don't know. I just don't like getting up this late because I feel as though the day is just gone by already. And because the next thing you know, it'll be 7, and that's the chance. That's the time you get to wave to everybody. You get to give Junior or the princess or the grandma or the neighbor. Oh, by the way, neighbor, you have your headlights on. License plate BRR 4779. I'm just kidding. And the number was 4. I said pick a number between 1 and 4, and it was 4. No, it's early. I said pick a number between 1 and 10, and it was 4. You know, sometimes we have to get the mind going, you know. And in the morning, you know, it's good to start off with some positive affirmations, you know, things that going to inspire you. That's why we should always be looking at the good. Right, Twinkles? Yes. See, the thing is, I want to get rid of Twinkles. We don't really work together well. I mean, listen to her. Listen to what, man? This is me. But I'm not digging the voice here. But this is the only one I got, man. What do you want me to do? It's terrible. Your people are getting turned off. Hold on, I think I gotta sneeze. I'm meditating. Alright, everyone, get out your coloring books. And I want you to color. I want you to color me the best picture you possibly can. Alright, yes. Today, I think the drama will be fire Twinkles, and I'll replace her with someone else. Trying to think what kind of a voice I can use for her.